Vitaly, this is, you can see how they are preparing the fish now. So as you can see over there in the clay pot, that is today's catch. So the fish that you caught in the morning, it's there.
Yeah,
we'll be having that too. So this, the big one right here, we call it the atavalla. As you can see here, she's preparing it in traditional methods. So they didn't have any modern equipment back in the day, so this is how they do it. They sit down, it's a bit of labor, but this is how they've been living. This is their lifestyle, the tradition. This is the skin of the country. This is what we aim on giving an experience to. So this is it.
Very nice.
We'll taste the fish soon. Vitaly, this is a grinding stone, right? This is what they use to blend all the Sri Lankan spices. So they mix all the spices together, they put it in the grinding stone and they mix it like that. You add some water. Once you grind it, you really you seep the flavors out of the spices. That is how you get the Sri Lankan traditional flavor, the spicy flavor. You want to try it?
Of course.
Right. Amme, me put the tracker and make really hard. There we go.
It's hard.
It is hard. It's a bit of flavor, but that's how it is. That's the experience. Wow, you're a natural at it. You want to work in the kitchen? Perfect, perfect. So here you can see this is how our grandma will prepare the ambultiyal, the fish ambultiyal curry. So as you can see here, the fish is over there freshly prepared, and right here in this black bowl we have the green chili, the salt and the curry leaves. So what she does is she mixes it all together and then she makes the ambultiyal curry. Let's see how she does it. Now she takes what you call goraka, that's the black stuff, and then you take the spices that we grinded earlier, you mix it all together, you add salt and you add water and you prepare it. Like so. She makes sure she mixes it all together very nicely with her own hands so that all the spices and everything is steeped together and is infused in each other. Now you can see to the mixed curry and everything, the spices, the curry leaves, the green chili, she adds the fish into that. So all the spices and everything is freshly marinated into the fish. And that's what makes the flavor so unique and so strong. Now she takes the fish, the marinated fish, out of the bowl into the pot, and it's now ready to be cooked to perfection. So now we move into the cooking part. Vitaly, you saw how the fish is being prepared, how we caught the fish and then we marinated it. We made it into the ambultiyal curry, and now we move on to the cooking stage. So as you can see, even the cooking is like, it's not your modern day of cooking, it's the old traditional way, the Sri Lankan way. Very natural. You can see these 3 rocks, and inside the 3 rocks there are wood. So those wood is being burned, so it's a natural fire. There are great benefits to the natural fire as well. As you can see, even the pot right here is a clay pot. Now the interesting thing is, because of the minerals in the clay, all those seeps in together and it adds a unique Sri Lankan flavor because of the clay pot. So that flavor you can't get anywhere else, only Sri Lankan. So if you cook this curry properly, the fish, the ambultiyal curry, it can last up to 2 weeks.
Wow.
Without even being refrigerated.
Wow, amazing.
That's the beauty of Sri Lankan cooking. Taste it and see all the spices and everything.
Wow.